Haha! Have you got fed up by now? Or get light-hearted, cheerful instead? And you should. What will come next is very encouraging. After all, we all want something simple and classy, high-scored, right? Functions equal to high scores, as I will show you. I have this made PDF downloadable for your reference, as it can be considered an essay with complete functions that make it high-scored yet simple. Before we proceed, I want you to keep in mind that how many functions to fulfill in an essay. Once you get used to these functions, they would work as a guide for you. So here is the essay, and the question is, some people think that they can learn better by themselves than with a teacher. Others think that it is always better to have a teacher. Which do you prefer? On the right is the opening of an introduction paragraph with 2 sentences. Well, how many sentences are good to open an essay? Have you thought about it? I think the answer is obvious. Even you have enough time, or even you are rushing, 2 is always the best. Thesis is always the later part of the introduction. Why is that? Introduction requires a setting, a hook, or the background, right? Normally, 1 or 2 sentences will be suitable. One will be a little abrupt, or it takes great skill to do so. Even if it is 2 sentences, you also want to address the question, to mention it with a touch, before you answer it with your idea.